With the design features of the HandyForm system, any form panel can be removed and replaced at any time. This permits temporary openings for inspection windows, cleaning out footings should it become necessary, and higher up in a setup to place concrete with a pouring window. When you know in advance the panels to be removed, place the spreader ties in the panels adjacent to the openings. Also, put the short end of the spreader tie pin to project into the opening. This makes it easy to remove and replace panels.